Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane, and my number is 247096. And today I'm showcasing the March 2023 Kiwi Club Kit titled My Beautiful Life. When you receive your box, you'll see a really cute sticker because it says My Beautiful Life. That's why it's cute. And there's a little camera icon. You take a picture of the QR code here with your phone, and it'll bring you to the PDF idea book that was created by the Kiwi crew back at corporate. And in this book, they share all the page layout ideas, and as well as save the dates to crop along with them. But we're not going to do that today. Today, I just want to show you what is inside this beautiful kit titled My Beautiful Life. So let's open the box. Nice and shiny, I'm sure. So I'm just going to take it out of the entire plastic so that you won't see, well, at least the paper, so it won't shine too brightly into the camera. As you'll see, the first thing we are shown on top is the 6x12 sheet. Has 2 sketch ideas for you, as well as what kind of pages you can create with this beautiful kit. The 3 ideas that they give you are beautiful moments, nature's beauty, and beautiful beginnings. Kiwi Lane also gives you ideas of what template sets you can use with the Kiwi Club Kit templates to create beautiful pages. And in this kit, they would like you to consider the nature walk, rings, jasmine, and frolic. Now I have these 3, but nature walk, that's actually on its way to me today, and it's supposed to be delivered by 4 o'clock, so we'll see. It also shows you what the template set is in this kit. There's the digital idea book download again, and the QR code for the save to date, which is exclusive events that are available for this particular kit. So let's look at the paper first, okay? In all Kiwi Club kits, you receive 12 by 12, 80-pound pattern sheets, which are double-sided. There's 3 main sheets, 3 supporting sheets, and 6 background sheets, as well as meaningful title cards, which I call sentiment cards, and a designer template set that was created just for this kit. So what I do is I go through all of the papers and I let you know which ones I prefer. Sometimes it's one side A, sometimes it's side B. Sometimes it's both, and sometimes it's neither. It's nothing against the paper, it's just that it doesn't appeal to me. It doesn't happen very often. So let's go on. The first sheet of paper is little vases with flowers in them, and there's beautiful, 2 true beauties inside the bottle. Very cute. I like the little white carnation flowers. Those are pretty. And the daisies. I like daisies. So it's a really pretty paper. But let's look at side B. Now, I like this orange. It reminds me of oranges and sun-kissed and the sun. So I'm going to go with side B, mainly because I think that I could use this on more pages than I could the one that says beautiful and true beauty is inside. It's just personal preference. So this is side A. I'm going to keep all my preferences face up over here so you can see as we go along. The next sheet of paper, it's a light peach color with white writing or cream white writing in it. And the writing is dream and hope with some squiggle lines through it. It's really cute. So this is side A, and this is side B. Now, I don't really use yellow a lot in layouts, just like I really don't use orange or blue. However, I think that I would use this side more than this side. Just personal preference and how my pictures go. So there's that one. The next paper is a polka dot. Okay, I love polka dots. I like polka dots, I like stripes, I like plaid. So let's see what's on the other side. This is side A, really, really cute. And this is side B. It's like a tan colored print on off-white possibly. This is side B, and this is side A. I'm going to stick with the polka dots. Now, this diagonal stripe paper. I love this. This is really, really cool. I would use this with the polka dots. So this is side A. Love it, love it, love it. This is side B. It's blue. So, as I told you, I really don't scrapbook blue. I'm going to stick with side A because I love this. So, the next one is sort of like a mosaic print to me. It has all the colors of the previous sheet in it. It's really, really pretty. This is side A, and this is side B. It's blue again. But not just because it's blue, but I really like this one. So it's going to be side A. Now, this paper is beautiful with the little flowers, the dandelions, the daisies. I don't know what the other flowers are, but it's really, really pretty. And yes, I know it's blue, but there are exceptions to my rule. I think it's just mainly dark blue that I don't like. So this is side A, and this is side B. Which one do you think I like? Side A. There is no rhyme to reason on how I choose my papers. It's just what appeals to you. Okay, the next one is an orange patterned, has darker orange pattern into it. This is side A. Oh, there's two of them. Isn't that nice? Do you know what happens when you have two sheets? You can use one of each. So let's look at side B. This is side A, and this is side B. I think I'm going to stick with side A on both of them. Okay? The next two sheets of paper, because, you know, these are the supporting papers. Side A. Really, really pretty. It's pretty. It has it's like a creamy white with, I'm not sure if that's tan or orange, but I'm going to say it's tan pattern etched in it. Side B. I notice that Kiwi Lane uses this pattern a lot. Nothing against it. I like it. I like this color. So I'm really not sure which one of these two I'm going to use. So I'm going to choose them both. And then the last two sheets are blue. Well, at least on side A. So this is side A. And it has the same pattern in it as this yellow does. It's like a herringbone pattern. And side B. I think I'm going to go with side B, just because I don't care for blue, dark blues. So let's do the template, not the templates, the assignment cards next. These look fun. I like the colors so far from what I've seen. Okay. The first card is Memories That Last a Lifetime. I'm going to show you side A's and B's again. There's something on mine. I can put something on it tied, like a heart or something, or a flower. So this is side A, Memories That Last Forever. This is side B. That's really weird that I have something. It's okay. I can work with it. I couldn't have wished for a better friend. Side A, side B. Family, life's greatest blessing, a group that dreams, laughs, plays, and loves together. Those whom you can always count on, always present, not only in the good times, the most precious gift. Side A, side B. This is more of a journaling card one. Has a really pretty flower in the right-hand side, the date, and enough room to put the who, what, where, and maybe why or when of what you're crafting, scrapbooking, or putting in a frame and wanting to commemorate. This is side A. This is side B. The next one. In nature, you can find beauty everywhere. Side A, side B. Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. Side A, side B. A beautiful life is a collection of unforgettable moments. Side A, side B. Now remember, if you have the journaling cards and you don't want to use the journaling cards for that purpose, you can always mount a photo, cut photo corners out of them, cut a template out of them, use it for painting. I don't know if I would do that, but I do cut photo corners out of some of my templates because that way it coordinates with the main papers that I'm using. The last sentiment card is really a bunch of little doodads, and I like this. I love the dandelions, beautiful, that goes with the swag banner template that we have. Dream as big as your wishes, lovely, dream happy. These are really, really pretty. I really like these too. So I'm probably going to use those. Just got to find the right pictures. And then the side B, which would be great if you didn't want to use these, which I don't know why you wouldn't want to use these. You can always use this and mount a 4 by what, 6? Let's measure it. Oh, probably 5 by 5 picture on it if you wanted to, but these are really cute, so I would use those. Okay, so let's look at the templates next. These are going to be fun templates, I bet. I don't like having everything open. I want to open it with you so that you can get my surprise reaction as I'm seeing it with you. I think it's important because, you know, it's just important to me. So we're going to go with the biggest one first, this half flower. This is really, really cute. I have ideas for this one already. It measures 9.5, oh, actually more than 9.5, almost 10 inches. And the next measurement, almost 6. So 10 by 6. So that's almost half a sheet. Say we'll put it like that. That way you can see it. Or we'll do it this way. The next template, oh, I didn't tell you the template name, set name. Beauty. The template set name is Beauty to go with my beautiful life. And as you can see, it has the template name there, as well as the number of templates. So in this one particular set, there's seven templates, and this is number 6. So this one measures 2 3/4 by 2. And it goes right like that. Okay? It's like a potion bottle. You could use this for Halloween if you wanted to and not put the heart. That'd be cute. 2 3/8 by 3. 2 3/8 by 3. And of course, because that heart cutout is there, we have the heart. This is number 4. And it measures 1 5/8 by 1 1/4, almost 1 1/4. I'll say 1 1/4, and that fits right in like that. We have number 2 of 7, which is this really, really pretty flower. You can use your modeling paste with it. You can use a white pen. You can use, where is it? You can use your ink brushes like this and just with the ink and add some design to it. You can use pen, white pen, black pen, modeling paste, ink, paint. You could do that too. Or you don't have to do anything at all. It's all up to you. So 1 1/8 by 3 6/8. There's that flower. And here's another one. You could do this. You can use the same mediums as I said before, the pen, the modeling paste, ink, paint in here, or you could cut that out and layer another color of paper if you wanted, or not at all. So that's 4. We're going to say 2. You know what you could even do is cut out the same color paper and just ink the edges. That'd be pretty. Okay, and the final template in this set called Beauty from My Beautiful Life is a dragonfly. How pretty is that? That's really cute. Now, there are other dragonflies in Kiwi Lane, but they're all different designs. I like this design. It's cute. This is number 1 of 7, and it measures 2.5 by 2.5. 2.5 by 2.5. So those are all the templates from My Beautiful Life. If you're interested in this kit, you need to order it by the 20th of the month, meaning March. If you order by March 20th, you will receive this kit. If you order by the 21st, you'll go into the April kit. So why wait? Go do it now. I'm going to create with mine and I'll share my ideas. If you'd like to join my Facebook group, please look below. I'll have all the information as well as my website address where you can order the kit and instructions how to do so. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.